So over here, you can see that I have Claude opened up, and here, let's say I have a really rough email format right here, which says, "Dear company, I want to apply as a graphic designer." So there's some spelling errors, and I have grammar errors right here. So now what I can actually do with such text is I can go ahead and copy, and then here I can go ahead and say reformat this text here as a proper email. Let's say, for example, so once I go ahead and type this in with an inverted comma and hit send, then what happens is that I will actually go ahead and see this. So you can see that Claude is thinking now and will format it out as a proper email. So you can see that it is thinking right here, and then now it formatted out the text properly. So here it says, "Dear hiring team, I'm writing to express my interest in graphic designer position at your company. I bring 10 years of experience in graphic design, having previously worked at MediaTek Private Limited and Horse Media Private Limited, where I gained extensive and rewarding experience across both roles. I would welcome the opportunity to discuss how my background and skills can contribute to your team. Thank you for your time and consideration." And it says, "Warm regards." So you can go ahead right here and then utilize this out as you want, and then reformat out the text. And you can see that you also have an option to send by email or go ahead and copy this out. And that is how you can go ahead and utilize Claude to reformat out the text easily. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.